Hello children, today we will discuss about our new topic, that is the circular flow of income. Before understanding about the circular flow, we must understand about the sectors of economy. An economy is divided in actually four sectors. First one is household, second firms, third government, fourth external sector. Household means the general people who used to do the consumption expenditure on purchase of goods and services which are produced by the firms. The second sector, and firms are the sector which undertake all the production process of goods and services. So this is the second sector, that is the firms. The third is the government sector, who used to take care of the society and all the management activities of the nation. So government used to take care of the main main subjects of the nation. Now external sector is there, that means import and export are included in the external sector. So there are four sectors, but in this circular flow only these two sectors are considered. That means we are assuming that there is two sector economy. That means in an economy only household and firms, these two sectors exist. We are not considering government and the external sector for the for circular flow of income. For understanding this topic, now let us understand this circular flow, this system. What is this system actually? In the circular flow, we can see the firm used to do the production process is done by the firms, and firms used to do the production with the help of factors of production. And we know that there are four factors of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And these factor services are provided by the households. So households provide factor services to the firms, and for these services firms make the payments to these factors which are provided by the households. The land which is provided by the households, for that land the firms used to pay the rent. And for the labor which is provided by the households, the firms make the payment in the form of wages or salaries. The capital is to be paid in the form of interest, and whatever is left after making payment of all these three, that is called the profit, and profit belongs to entrepreneur. So in this way the firms makes the payments, the factor payments to the households, and all these remuneration makes the income of the households. This makes the income of the households. And we know that whatever we are earning for satisfying our wants, or we can say we are doing the consumption expenditure, for doing the consumption expenditure. So whatever the households earn, they used to spend on the consumption expenditure for satisfying their needs. And these expenditure, actually the goods and services on which we are spending, these goods and services are produced by the firms, and firms provide these goods and services to the households in order to be consumed by the households. So in this way we can see the income is moving from firms to households, and again from households to firms. The same income is moving in a circular way. So in this way, the first point is factor services, in which the services are provided by the households to the firms. So this makes our first point. Second is when the firms is making the payments of these factors to the households. This makes the second point of factor payments. The third point means when the households are spending their whole income for the purchase of goods and services. This makes the third point, that is the consumption expenditure. And for purchase of goods and services which are produced by the firms. And these firms produce the goods and services. This makes our 4th point, that means production of goods and services. This makes the 4th point. So in this flow we can see two types of flow is there: flow of goods and services, that means on first point, and on 4th point we can see that there is a flow of goods and services. And in second and third second and third, we can see the flow of money. Flow of money in second and third. In second, factor payment, and in third, consumption expenditure. There is a flow of money. So, flow of goods and services is also known as real flow, and flow of money is also known as money flow. So, we can say two types of flow is there. That is the real flow and the money flow. So, this is our circular flow of income. So, now, let's see the proper definition of circular flow. It refers to cycle of generation of income in the production process, its distribution among the factors of production, and finally its circulation from household to farms in the form of consumption expenditure on goods and services produced by them. So this is the definition of circular flow of income.